What is up, everybody? Welcome on in. Let's switch over. Yeah. So I'm using a new type of tracking. I've been tweaking a lot of the tracking settings with the model here. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna place things like chat in my preview, so I can glance over them without making the model move its eyes dart everywhere. I've also considered just using this background music for a lot of stuff. Because it's not getting hit by copyright strikes, and it's good background music. Yeah, like I thought about having it like play a little bit lower on my regular code stuff instead of worrying about DMCA shit and all that every time. Because like the whole point of the music is just to like have something nice in the background. So kind of looking through that, and I'm gonna see what I can figure out, and I might try a few other background tracks as well that I'll have it cycle through kind of thing, to keep things really simple. Hey, what up, Saya? Um, did your cat leave? Did he go on vacation? Oh, wait a minute. That's a thing that I'm... Oh, I think I know what that is. That's because I'm trying out the tracking, and that's the watermark. Yeah, that's what that is right now. Because I wanted to see if this tracking was gonna work first. Yeah, it's not a permanent thing. That's just from VTube Studio. Yeah, so I wouldn't take that as a sign that your brain is failing. Other things, sure, but not that. But yeah, so I'm trying out the tracking. It's working pretty nicely. I'm like I'm fairly happy with it. Oh yeah, definitely. It definitely smells like toast. I just made some toast. That's why. So it only has her in there if you are using a feature you haven't paid for on the desktop one, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. The webcam tracking is a separate like DLC you gotta get, which I know I haven't got yet because I was gonna use the phone originally. But my phone had a few issues, and the webcam is honestly like my webcam is pretty good. Hey, what's up, Saris? Everyone congratulate Saris on hitting 200 followers tonight. And if you don't already follow her, you absolutely should. So it's because I'm using additional features on it instead of just like the standard webcam tracking. And also, yeah, so there's a few things that go into that. I understand why they want a one-time payment, and it's $15. I'm not that concerned with that. To me, that's totally worth it. Yeah, like getting the so integrating webcam. So actually, you know what? Let me switch to my code screen here. Yes, hacking your account, as in, would this be the social style of hacking in which they walk over to your computer while you're on it and type on the keyboard? Let's see. If we go over here. I was gonna play with Lucid tonight because I want to diagram some stuff out. So I'll bring back some of the Spotify music for now. But like I said, I'm still thinking like maybe I just want to use the Xenosaga background music all the time. And like I said, I kind of want to vary it up a little bit. I'm gonna go grab a few more Xenosaga tracks to put in. Water good. So I'm used to Lucid because it's what we have at work. Okay, does getting sushi count as doing something nice for myself, even though I just did it for fun? Because if it does, then I did something nice for myself last week by getting sushi. I think that the vast majority of people that stop into your stream will attempt to let's see what's the right way to describe this. They will pontificate unnecessarily, with a level of incorrectness that will only be described as hilarious over time. Yeah, we have Lucid at work. As our thing, they pay for it, so I have the full feature set. For work stuff, so I'm just used to Lucid. So we're gonna make a blank document. I'm gonna keep my dark mode library on here. Oh, come on. You're just supposed to make this dark. Maybe later. No, there's a way to change this. Hold on. I know there's a way to make this dark. Nope, don't care. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, crap. What is it? Here we go. Document settings, I think. There we go. Okay, hold on. If I do this. That's not great. Okay, well, we're gonna do it this way. Yeah. Okay, it's dark mode now. Although I can't see the grid anymore. We're gonna change the default there. They did. I have to submit some paperwork for it. To get it through the process of the right people evaluating it and making sure that we can use it. So as of right now, we have my team who love it. The quality engineering team also love it. Our internal product information service team also loves it. Our Boomi team, or like the integrations that we maintain through Boomi, have been seeing the diagrams coming out of my team and the QE team trying it out for documentation, and also want it. So we've got a lot of people signed up for this thing. Okay, so I guess I have to make the canvas a slightly different color. There we go. Oh, no, not Alt. Spacebar. There. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we've got a diagram now that we can do stuff with. Oh, how do I change these? I want to change these default. Wait a minute. What? There's a whole theme styles? What? Let's try that. I don't know that I like that very much. Although it doesn't burn the eyes, so I think we'll go with it. Here's the font size again. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so the thing I was gonna describe. So you have V2 Studio, and what it does is it takes some kind of inputs Oh, that's not what I wanted to do, Lucid. There we go. That's what I want. Why is it being so weird? What is going on? Wow, it's being so funky with the editing right now. I don't know what's going on. Why can't I see the arrows? What the hell? What? The whole point of using Lucid is to see the fucking arrows. What the hell? Oh, okay. Oh god, I've got to set all this shit up. Okay. Let's see. If I do something like that. Okay. I think our line's bigger. Nope, that was borders, not lines. Shoot. Can I not make a line thicker? Is that not a thing I'm allowed to do here? I guess not. Yeah, no, that's just the color. Oh, okay. I mean, I don't mind the neon pop, but oh, here we go, dark mode. Okay, that's actually not bad. I can work with this. Although I am gonna change this default color. I do think I liked that more. Yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. Sorry, we're gonna change one more thing in the text settings if I can find the coloration of those. I thought it would be under the text area. Is it not? Oh, Lucid, why are you such a pain right now? This is literally easier when you have the paid version. This is not a good way to sell me your damn product. Ow. That actually physically hurt me. I think we're gonna just go with the neon pop for now. Okay. So, you have some kind of set of inputs. This is gonna be webcam, whatever. That gets fed into VTS. And then it has outputs. Okay. So what it does. So one of the things that it does with these outputs is it does some mathematics to figure out what they should be based on the inputs. So it's basically a big set of mapping functions. And part of what it does with the outputs is then adjust the visuals of whatever model. Okay. So, what VTS like what they what the core program actually is this part. So like if I drag another one. Oh, actually, it's not a good way to do this, is there? I actually do know that AWS has some good ones in it. Yeah, because it has these. So what I'm gonna do is this. Guess we're not gonna use that shape. All right. Huh. Why can't I move the text position? Ah, there we go. Really? I can't move it off the bottom for that shape? Are you shitting me? What the hell is this shit? Alright, well, that's also gonna look like crap. Either way. This is what VTS Core really is this part of the equation. Is taking input mapping. Oh, I should actually probably turn that off for now. Let me set my Steam over here to do not disturb so it doesn't keep popping those up. So it's the mapping function getting to the outputs and then using those outputs to adjust the visuals. So these inputs can be all kinds of different stuff. And basically what you have to have is kind of a different protocol for each set of inputs you take in. So what they do is so they have one that's like the phone VTube Studio option. And another that's webcam. Reverse these. And because you really need you need a different protocol for each of them. They're considered different features, and that's why you pay for them separately. I don't mind giving them money for doing this stuff on the phone. It turns out I didn't need to necessarily, but wait, does it have a time limit? I just noticed the model's not moving. No? What happened? Why is my webcam just off? What the hell? That was weird. I don't know why my webcam, like, it just stopped using my webcam completely for a moment. Yeah, that's super strange. I don't know why that happened. Maybe I do have to just go download get the DLC real quick. Probably should in general, but that was very weird that it did that. But yeah, so that's why they're considered separate things. Is you've got to have like a different set of code for how you handle it from the phone versus from a webcam because you're going to be getting different kind of input streams and different kind of processing things. Because like on the phone, you're going to be using either ARKit from Apple or whatever Android has built in for the OS stuff, which will vary a little bit from Android version. And then for webcams, there is like a default you can use that's what is it? I think it's like VC tracking or something like that. I forget the full name. Which is maintained by someone else, or they have the option that I'm trying out that works pretty well for me, which is the RTX tracking, because I have an RTX compatible or an RTX graphics card, so it can take advantage of some extra processing units on that to do some of the work. But each of those is essentially its own code base of maintenance. So, with that explanation out of the way, let's figure out how I'm going to do logins. Also, this music is very quiet. You know what? For the people that are here, how would you feel if I just played the Xenosaga music for a while? Over the background, instead of trying to go for all kinds of different songs for the night and worrying about DMCA crap. Okay, so what I need is something that's going to work inside of a dock. So I've got a couple of ideas. Now I'm like rapidly thinking about one of them, and I don't know if it's actually a good idea, which is really unfortunate. Oh, jeez. Congratulations on surviving. Oh, so do I. What's the reason you want to do that to your neighbor? Ooh. I have Cheetos Puffs, which I am less excited about having now that I have them. And Sour Punch straws. Oh, jeez. Mm. Oh, that felt really good. My neck needed that. Wow. Now I want to do that to your neighbors too. That's fucked. Yeah. Yeah, we would. Sadly, that is not legally available to us yet. How do I want this login process to work? Okay, so I've got a couple of ideas. So one of the ideas that I have is, so you go to the main site, you get some. That's right, I hate this style. Not that style. You go copy some URL that has a code in it, and you use that to set up the dock. So that's one idea that I've had, and that's simple enough to get working. But I don't know. I don't. So the reason I don't want to do it is if someone forgets to take their dock out. So actually, what I should talk about is I've got a couple of use cases as well. That I want to make sure I keep in mind. One is what I'll call the normal use case, and then the other one is event use case. So for normal use, you can log in and forget. But what I want for event, so this is like if you're at an event streaming somewhere that's not your normal rig, which is a thing that happens decently often. For people that travel to events and things like that where they stream from the event. So I wanted to do some kind of temporary login. And then some kind of automatic logout. These are the things I want to be keeping in mind. Here we go. I'll put them over here. As like the cases that I care about. So the reason I don't like using the URL codes the way that a lot of them currently do it is if you forget and leave your stuff in, someone can just hijack your stuff now, which really sucks. I really don't like that. So that's a big downside on the URL codes one. Yeah, so no auto log there. How do I change the damn text colors? Why is that? Oh, it's okay. No, that's... Well, this is text color. All right. So, yes, that's the problem with this one is we have no auto logout, which makes the event use not great. The other idea that I've had is QR code. Actually, looks more like that because the dock is the thing that initiates. Or no, the main site doesn't even bother. You know what? I gotta have a better way to represent this. This is bad. Oh. There we go. I think swim lanes might actually be the right answer for representing this thing. Oh, God. Oh, what a pain in the ass this is going to be to move around. Can I not move this one to one side? Also, I'm now realizing that it just fucking just grabbed those out of nowhere on me. Oh, here we go. Okay. Lane left. Insert a lane after that. Ooh, we're getting real tight on space here already. Actually. Aha, I'm a genius. Using my space more efficiently now. There we go. That's why there's no fourth lane here. It should only be the 3. Because it's an OBS dock. Okay, so these are the 3 things we've got that we gotta worry about how they interact. That's the way that would work normally. But the downside of this, like I said, is that we don't have automatic logout. So, the other one that we've got start by generating a QR code at the dock. And then if Lucid would stop being fucking dumb about this placement, Jesus Christ. Oh, wow, oh my god, Windows, can you fucking stop it? Jesus. Something like this, where you log in on your phone and you connect it via QR code. Yeah, I know, because that's got to send to something like this. So that's what that would look like. The dock would generate some QR code. You'd read it on the phone because you'd log in on the phone kind of deal. It would read that QR code, validate it with the main site, which would send a message back to the dock. Now, the problem here is the complexity of it, because I've got 3 different moving parts, and 2 of them have to be connected with some kind of pseudo real-time connection, or WebSockets, or something like that. Or I just say, like, reload the dock or something like that. I could do that, and that would save me the headache, actually, of the hardest part. That could work. Because then what I could do... Yeah, you know what? Because then what I do is, when it reads the QR code, you select the mode. And you say how long you want the login to last for. You can say session or something, some other term I'll have to think up. Now that I've diagrammed it out, I think this is the way to do it. I think that's how I do it. Now the question is, can I get QR code reading? Okay, what the hell? Is it only like 15 minutes on this thing or something? Or is it 10 minutes? And I didn't notice long enough. What the heck? Hold on. Alright, okay, let's make sure it works again. Okay, yeah, so it's good again there. You know what? I think I am just gonna go grab the DLC on Steam. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn the camera off there. Shion's just gonna look real smug for a minute. The storefront here. Doesn't say anything about a time limit, which is concerning. So we're gonna solve this stuff. Oh boy. None of those are the same issue. Alright, well, we're just gonna pay for it on Steam real quick then. I think I might need to restart VTube Studio as well. Oh, no, it actually just knows. Okay, cool. If I turn this back on... Hey, there we go. Okay, well, no longer has the watermark, and I'm happy. Like the base of VTube Studio is free, so like I have no problem supporting its development and throwing them some money because this is an awesome program. So if um we'll see if it stops in like 10 or 15 minutes again, and if that was the issue, or if I got to do some more debugging with the webcam. So I think what I've got here is it'll generate some QR code. Let's see. What I'm worried about is JavaScript reading a QR code through a webcam without an app involved. I don't know if that's viable on iOS yet, because iOS is a fucking piece of crap when it comes to the camera and JavaScript. Like it's kind of annoyingly bad at this point. That's the other concern I've got. So what I'm trying to avoid is I don't want to require someone to log into the main site on the same computer that they're using this on because of that event use. I don't want them to log into the account using credentials on that machine. Because then something might remember it by accident if they're not careful. But if they never enter credentials on that machine, we don't have that problem to worry about. And that keeps the whole setup a little more secure. At least that's how I'm viewing it. If you don't let things fall into the wrong hand, like if you don't have the opportunity to hand something to the wrong person, then that person can't get it from you, you know? That's the core idea here. So, now the question is, how do I get this information between here and the phone easily? Got a couple more ideas. Well, no, never mind. One of them involves trying to prevent people from spamming a system, and I don't like that idea at all. Also, what's with this not updating still? OBS, I thought I had that problem solved. Where it like doesn't always update Spotify for some reason. Like after a few minutes, it just stops updating the Spotify capture, and I don't know why. It's real weird. Okay. How do I want to do this? I know there's libraries for doing this. You know what? Let me see. What's the compatibility look like on these? Yes. Okay. I was. That's my concern. Is that 15.1 or above only right now? The right one? I see. This is not fucking helpful. Cumulative usage is worthless to me. I think stat counter is the one I actually. Okay, this is actually helpful. They used to have a different way to view it. You know what? It looks like 15.1 is not going to be a huge issue. Actually, that's a good sign. Because those numbers are looking pretty nice. And these numbers tend to be pretty. I've used this site before for things. They tend to have a pretty robust collection method for their data points. Yeah, maybe 15.1 isn't bad. Let's see. Oops, not status, stats. So it should be. I wanted to see it like on a table compared to the other stuff as well, to see like how many users am I how many people am I potentially locking out worldwide from using this thing if I require iOS 15.1 or above. Let me go back here and see if I can get I go to the top level here. Oh, here we go. Browsers. That's what I want. Can I see a tabular view of it though? You know what? W3 Schools used to have a really good browser usage. Oh, here we go. Is it OS statistics? Yes, here we go. This is not broken down the way I need it, though. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Hmm. That's pretty cool, though. This works. Okay, so what I might need to do is I might need to know someone with an iPhone that could test this for me off stream. Or on stream. Someone in chat has an iPhone and is willing to test it. Generating QR codes can be done in Pure.js. That's not an issue. Not worried about that at all. But if this works, then that would be really cool. So the idea is that you'd log into the site through Twitch on your phone. And then you'd attach, like, you'd go and read the QR code. It would just log an entry in a database and say, hey, this is how long this code is good for. And then the doc, you would just say, like, reload or something like that on it. I put a button on there. Then it would reload the doc and be able to get the account information that it needs to. Okay, I think I've got my core here now. Now I've got to build the site. I've got to let it log in and record specific tokens. That's honestly the hardest part of this whole deal. Okay. I've got to take a quick break to go take care of something. Yeah, so it's gonna be like a 5 to 10 minute break, real quick. And then once I come back, we'll actually work on kind of starting up the website itself a little bit. We'll leave it on this screen. And when I come back, we'll see if it's still tracking the model or not, and if I did in fact get rid of that time limit now. I'm back. It's still tracking, which means yeah, I think there was a time limit on the non-paid version, which is fine. Like I said, I have no problem supporting the program. It's a reasonable thing to do. Both their design and like paying for it are both like I don't. It's one of those things where like sometimes you see a program that wants you to pay for it. You're like, how about you give me something decent first? This is one where I'm like, yeah, I got no problem paying. Also, I didn't realize the music was gonna be so damn low. Jeez, must have sounded like my stream was just off for a moment. Damn. Okay. I think we might try this one out. Ooh, I like the way that this one looks. That's kind of cool. I'm also thinking I haven't set up for. I just realized I haven't set up for testing things on my phone and showing that on stream, which is really unfortunate because that would have been cool to show. So I think what we'll do instead for now is we'll start building it out as if it gets a token of some kind, and then it just kind of reads that token and does things on the page, and we'll kind of build the doc out and start getting to collect events and things like that. I think that's what we'll do tonight. So we're gonna go generate ourselves a token. Thought I had this site fixed. What? What the fuck? That was weird. Okay. Huh. That was odd. We're gonna want this. I think we're gonna want pretty much all of these actually. Read. Maybe not. Send shoutouts probably. I want to see all of those. I don't know if I'm gonna do stream information in here yet. We'll see. I think we'll do that one. Go ahead and get a Twitch token for this. Copy that. Validate it. That looks good. Cool. Got ourselves a token. I'm going to drag this tab over onto my other screen real quick, but I don't close it by accident with all of these other ones. I want to bookmark this one, though. Yeah, we'll bookmark it under common. Yeah, we'll come back to that library at a later date. Come back to all this stuff. So, for now, do I have... I don't think I started this yet. Yeah, I didn't do that. All right. Let's start doing some actual code now, instead of just planning things. So we definitely want a doc folder. And actually, now I'm thinking about it, we're gonna do site here. We're gonna be done with Cloudflare as usual. So we're gonna start things off. We're gonna get our setup going here. Get that in there. Oh, how do I want to build this thing? I'm gonna go grab what I did before. Here it is. I want this file again. I think we're gonna do this with pre-act. Because I think I can keep it small enough that doing it this way is gonna be reasonable instead of worrying about getting Svelte involved and all of that stuff. Although, actually, now I'm thinking about it, no, I think I do want Svelte involved in this. Yeah, you know what? Actually, this dock's gonna have a decent amount of complexity in it when it's done. Yeah, you know what? No, we're not gonna pre-act this. We're gonna go Svelte from the beginning. We're gonna take this. Oh, I should add. I don't know if I've done this yet or not. I think I did. But, make sure. Yes, okay, cool. We have a Shion avatar. Which one did I upload to this? Oh, it is the one I want to use. Okay, cool. So we're gonna add a favicon here. I think this is how you do it. I actually forgot how to add a favicon through HTML. How do I do this? Oh, it's icon. Dang it, I was close. I had it right the first time. PNG. So we'll leave it like this for now, and then I'll start getting Svelte set up in a moment. So let's get this going, so that I can actually load something here. Oh, it did actually take the favicon. Cool. I think I'm gonna change that up for the favicon stuff at some point, but it's a good start. Okay. So I should go grab. Oh, jeez. What do I have more recently that I've built? What did I update here? Oh, right. Okay, that's my temporary stuff. Right. Okay. Let's see. I haven't done a big Svelte project in a little while here. That's weird. Oh, wait a minute. Did I ever update Zephyr? That might be something I gotta do. We might switch to games tonight because I have some offline stuff I haven't done potentially. That, maybe. Ah, okay. No, it is actually updated for 3.8. Okay, cool. So we don't need to do anything offline right now. Okay. Let's see. I worked on that I could pull my config from. Yeah, I haven't done anything big in Svelte in a while. I haven't done a lot of front end. I haven't done big front end stuff in a while. I gotta get back into that with Svelte stuff. I really do. I know what that one is actually. Okay. No, we're not switching to games, Saya, sorry. I have to have done something recently in Svelte, right? Maybe the Jira killer? Nope, okay. Hmm. What was this? But I don't think this is gonna be what I want. Yeah, definitely not. Okay. Hmm. This one, did I really build this in Preact? I did. Okay. When I was testing all of that. Weird. How did I do that? Hmm. What else have I been working on with Svelte? Oh, here we go. Okay. This one might have the more modern. Yes. Okay, good. This has the more modern setup I wanted to use. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this rollup config. Let's see. I'm gonna put a source folder in here. The doc. I'm gonna go here. Paste that rollup config. And then what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just start doing this. This is gonna be a lot easier than trying to do this at the command, like trying to build this at the command line level. Yeah, there we go. Really? I don't have one for Bash? Shell scripts, that's what I want. Okay. I wanted to take the highlighting and just make sure I'm doing it the way I thought I was. There we go. That's looking good. That's at the wrong level. Need to end it at this level. Then run my installation. There we go. That's what I expect to see there. Okay, good. Now all of those sit in there. So I am going to have some repetition in terms of like some of these things are going to be repeated across a couple of places. I should just be adding Svelte as well. I don't know why I don't have that in the list. Yeah, okay. That looks good. So now... Now I should be able to just build. But I gotta make sure I have all the right files in. So we're gonna take this, paste it in here. Type module. Don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore. I think I just need to do that with it, and I think we're good. Oh, no, never mind. I know. I need one other thing here. I do have to point it at a file. So import from Zephyr. We're also going to pull in this. Because we're going to do our setup here. Okay. Don't need to do lines on that shit. Okay, theoretically this is going to build and it's going to do something real cool. Oh wait, no it's not. Let's try that first. Oh, what's the setup need to look like again? Always forget. I do it so rarely. Yep, okay. You know what? I actually was pretty much correct in what I was thinking. Shouldn't have doubted myself. Okay, now it should theoretically work. I run build. Uh-oh. That's not good. Right. There we go. Did I configure it to go that level? I did. That's not where I want it to go. However, that is all correct. So that's a good start. But we're gonna reconfigure this. Instead, it's going to go up to build into that doc folder that we have from earlier. There we go. That's what I was expecting to see as the output. Now if I go here, that's not great. Why? Oh, god damn it. I hit get cracking. I didn't want to. Hey, what up, Ray? Okay, so why did this already fail? It should have had the common JS stuff. Oh, I didn't add Zephyr. That's why. Yeah, that'll be why I couldn't find the damn library. Because I didn't add the thing. There we go. That's looking good. Okay. I've done that before. Don't worry, you're in the right place to fall back asleep. Okay, so now we can start building some stuff. Really quickly, I'm gonna pull this over to one side for a second. I'm gonna add some things into local storage that I'm gonna be using. Yeah, definitely don't want to show that on stream either. Okay. Sorry, give me 1 second here, because I want to add that key from earlier, or that token from earlier into here. Oh, do I need anything else? Need my own user ID, which I don't remember. In here, good. So I technically could get some stuff out of the token itself, but I'm gonna store some of it local side for now, so that I don't need extra, so I don't need extra network calls. That's kind of what I'm looking to avoid here for the moment, is extra networking things that I don't need yet. We're gonna bring them back later on, but I want to test faster than that. Actually, maybe I do want to add that network call in. You know what? I should. I'm not going to. I'm thinking about it. I'm not going to do that. I'm too lazy for that shit right now. Okay. Get that config going. Okay. That looks good. We'll bring those back over here. All right. So. Got config. We got that. Don't need either of those open. Don't need that. Cool. Back to our application. Okay. I want one of those. And one of those. Come on. I'm going to set up a few of these imports that I know I'm going to be using as well. Okay. So for now, we're going to keep this really simple. I'm going to use Svelte stores. It's going to parse out that local config that I put in earlier. I'm going to start using that variable in some places. That's why I want to set up those imports to make it look really cool. So now let's start importing a whole bunch of components and putting together a UI. Okay. I'm gonna make this 100% width. I'm not gonna worry about it's gonna be used for a dock, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Actually, you know what I can do for sizing purposes is something like this. Let's see. Come on, brain, you can do this. Something like, I think 360 pixels wide. 660 tall, I think. Let's go 600. This is roughly the size of a dock, give or take a little bit. People can resize, obviously, but I think that's going to be a good one to work with. You know what? I think I'm just not even going to bother with it. If they make it bigger, we'll see what I got to do. Okay, so we got our header slot. We go build that. Hey, look at that. I got a thing working. That's always good. This isn't Snow Point City. The Pokemon Center. The song is a lie. Or Spotify didn't up. Yep, there we go. Oh no, Cerulean. Sorry, not Pokemon Center. Like in my brain, I'm like thinking Cerulean City Pokemon Center, because that was the center of the town, roughly. Yeah, Spotify just wasn't updating again. That's so obnoxious. OBS, get your shit together. And Spotify, get your crap together too. I wonder if I do something in Spotify here. What if I enable hardware acceleration? You'd be happier then? I go ahead and restart it. Okay, it's capturing again. Yes, I have. Well, sorry, I've seen them, but the ones I've seen have them talking as well. Keyboard sounds alone, I don't find that relaxing. Them with other stuff, not too bad. But I really don't care for them on their own. Ooh, yeah, that's looking good. Okay. Alright, that's looking good for a source on a dock. So now, let's pull in a Twitch chat library. I think it's just Twitch. Yeah, it is. Okay. Wow, has it been that long since I updated it? Damn. The last commit. Wow, it's been almost a year since I worked on this library, and it's still working great. Holy crap, that's cool. That's really nice, actually, to see that. Okay. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so we'll have communication with chat as the first thing we're going to set up. Hmm. Oh, how do we want to do this? Hmm. Okay, so we're gonna have a way to initialize this. You know what? If I save all the right stuff in local storage, maybe I don't worry about that user state stuff. Maybe I change the design of this a little bit, such that there's a login thing that happens, where it writes to local storage and then just refreshes itself. That might be smarter. And I don't worry about any of this. Like, I don't worry about stores and things like that. I think I do something more like this. Because this isn't something I need to maintain a whole lot of information. Like, I don't need to maintain this state changing during runtime. I think that's how this is going to go. Let's import that. So if user is null, it's null otherwise. Let's see, what does chat take in as arguments again? With name and token. Let's export that. And then something like this, I think. Yeah, I think this is how we run it. That goes there. No, I know what I do here. I do a bit of logic. This only decides what's going to get shown. So we do something like, if user isn't null, then we show that main doc. That's how we run this. Okay, so for the components, we're going to do it this way. This no longer that. We're just going to pass the user down here, because that way I can change how this screen does all the logic, and then everything underneath it doesn't worry. Because only when it has the dock initialized does it have to worry about connecting to chat. So like something in here is where I could do chat.connect. Pull this in here, and then I say something like this. I want something like this. I think. Yeah, and then I never worry about this because we're only in here when this is happening. So I need to have some kind of variable for tracking chat connectivity. Okay, so I can look at here and I can say it's true, it's connected, something like this. Actually, let's do this. I'm gonna tweak this a little bit. I'm just gonna put the status message in here. Because then if there's something going on, like the its status is changing partway through a stream or something, then I don't need to worry about. Then I can update that real time and not have ungodly looking ternaries. I think that's how we're gonna get that working. I didn't build this. I should probably build it if I want it to do the thing, huh? Okay. Oh, I didn't do the component ones. Those get .svelte treatment. Didn't like that. But I added the library. That's weird. Oh god, don't tell me I still have broken exports on it. Did I really do that? I thought I fixed those. Oh, I didn't do a default export. Okay. That actually makes a lot of sense as to why I did that. We're using the browser version here. There we go. I think it worked. It did the thing. I saw messages change. I've forgotten my own events. Apparently. Wow, that should have worked. Why didn't that work? Okay, hold on. I gotta pull this over here because it's gonna have some info in it. Don't tell me I don't know how my own shit works again. That's entirely possible here. I don't remember how my own library works, I guess. Chat.star? Is that why? Really forgotten this crap? Okay. Yep, I have. Okay. That's fine. Okay. That's whatever. I'm gonna have to go rip code out of another place at some point to do the display, but that means that we have things connecting. So now I also want to see how I did other stuff. Oh no, not that one. Yeah, this is only looking at chat right now. So I want, other than that, I want to go here. Yeah, it's this one. Gonna have a little more to it. Oh, it doesn't have more topics in it, like I hoped it might. Okay, well, that's unfortunate. Oh, I need the client ID from the token as well, don't I? There we go. Got that. All right, cool. So let's go back here. Okay, so let's do event sub. Bring that in. The user. Client ID is one of those nice public pieces of info. Here we go. Events. Oh. What thing needed? No, this is documented wrong. This is definitely documented badly. Because this needs a client ID on it. Yeah, it needs a client ID on it. Okay. And a list of topics. I don't know why I keep closing that tab. I'm going to be referring back to it all the time, I think. So if I do something like this. I can't type for shit apparently right now. Just making this all a lot harder. But I could do something like this. I can bring an event sub. Do something similar to this. This one's just going to be star because I'm going to be real lazy. Actually, no, we'll do channel.star because that'll give me all of the Twitch events specifically. Get this going. Okay, so now we should be able to see these things connect. I'll build this. Hopefully there's no major errors. That looks good. Really? Unauthorized, you fuckos? Oh, I bet I know why. Because I didn't put in any of the user info. It still needs to know about the user. Like their token. Oops. I bet that's why it's unauthorized. Because I'm sending in null tokens. Oh, okay. Why is it giving me a connected status then? That's weird. What the hell? That's not right. Bad request. The fuck? How is it a bad request? The fuck? I gotta pull this over here for a second to investigate. That's super weird. Client ID. Did I copy the right client ID? That's still a valid token. That's definitely it. Why is it bad? I really don't understand here. Oh. Oh, I'm missing something. Okay. Broadcaster user ID? I didn't send that in? I need that in here? Okay. I didn't realize that. Oh, yeah, I do put the ID in there all the time, don't I? Okay. I don't know how I forgot that part. I did make sure to save that, because I remembered needing it, and then didn't actually put it where I needed it. That's smart. That's also why it told me connected, because these aren't part of the connection. Yep, there we go. So now if I do a redeem, like if I go put in a hydrate, for example. Yep, there it is. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so we have our dock working now. I'm going to do some offline things for getting it set up. I want to get it set up so I can show the phone screen that I'm using as well. And there's a way I can do that. I just don't have it ready for tonight. But that's going to be on the next stream for sure. But this is cool because this is now connecting in the right way. I'm wondering how much more I can do here before I go into other stuff. Yeah, I think unfortunately I didn't think about having the phone set up for this, and I don't know how I missed that idea. Given that I had it as one of the flows I wanted to try out possibly, and I just didn't think about setting it up ahead of time because I was messing with the model stuff too much and playing other things. Just because work has been stressful. I think maybe we call it here. We either move to a game or call the stream. I'm not sure. But I've got it back to where it's doing the right stuff here. And what I'm going to be doing, oh geez, is passing this along. I'm going to be passing this and the other chat events through broadcast channels. I already know that those work in OBS. I've played with them enough. What else do we want to do with this thing? Yeah, I think next steps are going to be adding things in R2. Yeah, I think that's going to be the next part we look at is how do we add things in R2 and then load them on the page as resources. But I don't want to do that tonight. I want to do that as a separate thing. Yeah, I think this is about where I end it on the code part for the night. I don't have the other stuff set up that I'm gonna need. Okay. Actually, I know what else I'm gonna do here. All right. No, you know what? I'm gonna test that as part of the login flow. We're gonna build out that piece where it does all the Cloudflare things I need it to do. It does mean I've got some really cool content coming up. But yeah, now we've got back with the Svelte setup going and working nicely. So that's going to be very nice to work with more. The main website, I don't know how I'm going to build out all of the pieces yet. I'm still figuring out what's going to go on that main site as well. So we'll see how that works out. My neck has been really stiff today. I don't know why. It didn't feel like I was sleeping wrong or anything weird. I'm not sure what was going on. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna switch to a game for a little bit. Do people have preferences for the kind of game they want to see me play? Because I think the ones I could open up easily right now are like Sunhaven, Risk of Rain 2, Skyrim, WoW. Got all those ready to go. I've already got the captures for them and everything. You know what? Let's play some WoW. I haven't done WoW on stream in a little bit. Let's do that for a bit. Now that we got this stuff kind of working. Switch over to here. Close down the code stuff. Start up the WoW stuff. I also haven't, you know what? I haven't done a full test of like running WoW and VTube Studio. This will be a good test. You know, real quick, I'm gonna make sure my add-ons are up to date for WoW. Oh boy, a lot of updates there. Okay, that looks good. Let's get this going. We'll go ahead and close Spotify here. Oh wow, start up. There we go. And oh, cool, the capture is working. Nice.
Fatality.
Oh boy, we get an error as soon as I log in. That's never good. That's still broke. That damn. SUI. Come on. Yeah, like damn. Why is it not showing my numbers? Gonna turn that back on somewhere, like in the interface? Hmm. Weird. Yeah, 'cause that's the right. Huh. That's the right font and everything. I don't know why I had to go do that. That's strange. Oh yeah, I have been doing some Mythic Plus though. I'm up to 2836, which feels pretty good. I gotta do a Rise as a healer. Or I screw around as DPS. What was the time walking? I feel like doing time walking on this character. You know what? I actually do. So let's do that. Let's do a couple of these because I want to. There's a a trinket that I want to have a chance at getting again, and I can get it. I have a second shot at getting it through that cache during this week. Let's do that. We'll do some world quests while we're waiting for the queue. Won't be too long of a wait though. I think we'll be good. Oh, I know what this. I know what this world quest is. It's gonna be an easy one to do as a healer. Oh, wait a minute. No, I want to. Hold on. I want to do this in war mode like a dingus. Because I like getting extra cash. There we go. Uh-oh. Yes, I know about that key. I set it up. Actually. Yeah, let's do this. My cheater's mount. The computer seems to be handling it just fine, and I still get all the cool animations in VTube Studio, so that's good. Bloody blah, let's just get moving.
Your arrival is fortuitous. Tonight the nobles have gathered in honor of the Grand Magistrates.
They all loaded in a lot slower than I did.
Our spies report that Elisande herself will attend. This presents a rare opportunity to catch her away from her source of power. We'll take a side entrance to the grounds. Too many eyes are watching the front.
I should change my game real quick while we're waiting for everyone else in the group.
The Grand Magistrates. Good luck.
There we go. That's right, I do as much damage as a DPS. Let's go.
It seems the Dusk Watch are charged with keeping order during the party. Might I suggest the hidden approach?
What is this idiot gonna try and do? Are you serious?
Their arcane beacons and keep the sentries from raising the alarm.
Instant give. Keep this simple. Alright, well, someone... Yep, there we go. Some idiot was gonna pull that. Like it was just going to happen. This group is not fantastic for this dungeon. Don't pull the boss. Get. Thankfully, I know about this trick as an alchemist. There we go. Yeah, this tank doesn't really know what they're doing. I should probably queue as a tank for these, honestly, just to make it go a little faster. Because I can rush these really fast as a tank. Even hit those enemies with anything? Why are they up there? That's so weird. Oh, missed that jump, apparently.
Watch out up here. I've heard tell of a demonic council that draws strength from one another. This bond must be broken. Explore the area and find a way to separate the council members. Divided, they cannot stand against you.
Tank is not prepared for me as a healer. Like, this dude can't pull aggro off of me if I engage, which is hilarious. What are you pulling, you moron? This is the thing we need. Don't pull all, he's gonna pull all of them. Oh my.
Clever of you to challenge all of us.
Yeah, good job, dumbass.
Amuse me to watch you melt.
I
Looks like I have a roast to prepare.
fucking idiot. This dude is clearly just a dumbass of a tank. Oh, okay, I guess that tree didn't count as line of sighting. Oh well.
Fires will come for you. What are you waiting for? Check out that noise.
Don't pull them. Just wait, dude. Fucking stupid.
Make yourself useful and take a look around.
I'm gonna sneaky stick that one. Nope, he's gonna pull it to the wrong spot because he's dumb as shit. Had it in the right spot so we could line of sight, dude.
You, have a look over there.
Now we pull the boss.
Who needs henchmen? I'll burn you myself. It will amuse me to watch you melt. Glorious.
Good day.
I got the crappy looking model.
So far, but we must ensure you blend in at the part. My informants claim that a Burning Legion spy is attending this party. Speaking with chatty nobles may reveal the spy. Just avoid drawing attention to yourself with wild accusations.
Oh, it used to give me a little. Oh no, there it is. Okay, I don't have it in a good spot. All right, that a little bit so we can see what all of our clues are at once there. Or fuck, it's left one on this side, and none of them figured out to go talk to it. Yeah, I'm tanking the next one. I think this is bad. Alright, good. One of these people has half a clue. Dude, what's the tank doing just sitting there? Jesus Christ.
Excellent. Now that we have the key, the way to the balcony should be open. It's time to put an end to Elisand.
Must you leave so soon, Grand Magistrix?
Do you expect me to waste time chattering with vapid nobles even as my enemies close in? Look there, you fool. We are not alone.
Impossible. My guards would never permit such an intrusion.
Yet another failure, Melandrus. Consider this your chance to correct it. Dispose of these outsiders. I must return to the Nighthold.
Finally, I'll make this quick. Lead for the Grand Magistrix.
Oh, damn it.
I will speed
Got caught one of little stupid ass flurries. Oh yeah, I haven't done any time walking this week. I should do that on other characters this week too.
We may have missed our chance at the Grand Magistrix tonight, but her time will come. Sooner.
Rebels from the outpost have been ambushing civilians along the roads to Valdrakken. Do what you can to halt their operations.
Easy peasy. Because I'm overgeared. Clear this world quest quickly.
I do not enjoy bringing battle to my kin, but I cannot allow their assaults to continue. Thank you for your help.
I'm not getting my bonus for war mode. Huh. Well, if I'm not gonna get the bonus, then screw that shit. Oh no, it just didn't turn on before? Yeah, there we go. Okay, why wasn't it on? Oh, is it because I went into a dungeon and it disabled it? I didn't even think about that. Okay, let's change specs real quick. We're gonna go DPS. Well, no. Let's go into tank spec while I'm doing stuff so I can queue as a tank. Have I updated my tank spec in a while? I don't think I have. What the hell? Whoa, that was weird. I I don't know what happened there. It disappeared for me too. That was really weird. Okay, I think this is gonna work right. Which spec. Oh, I just never. Oh, yeah, I just never enchant. No. Yeah, okay, I just never enchanted it. All right, that's fine. Transmog this stuff the way I want. There we go. Okay. This dungeon. Dungeon's not fun, honestly.
My father's ancient lair. There is still power within these rocks that should not be disturbed.
Oh boy, why? Why's my frame rate so bad in here? What is going on with my frames? No way this dungeon just tanked my frames like that. No, it did. Alright. That's weird. Might need to restart the game at some point later tonight. If I continue playing.
You would lead these intruders against us. Darkroot cannot control the hammer, Ularog. He will destroy High Mountain, not conquer it. Either way, I will enjoy every moment of it. Rockmora. They know we're coming now. I hope our allies can keep their main forces occupied long enough for us to complete our mission. Quickly, into the barrels.
This stream, actually, I should check on the Twitch status.
No,
The stream's still up? Yeah, it's still up. Okay, good.
I'll find my own path and rejoin you on the other
I got concerned for a second. I was like, wait a minute. With that whole thing that just freaked out, what else may have broken?
Father, he does not know the powers he meddles with. Please, you've already taken what food we have. Search everywhere. These peasants have been hiding rations from the army. If you're not fighting, you're not eating.
How did you idiots pull these? Like, you shouldn't even be near them with the way I ran this.
attention, Navarone. I want you to see your heroes die. Go ahead and run! It will change now.
Walk past the guys, let them enjoy their race.
Mother of word, arise! If they complete this summoning, our passage to Darkwood will be blocked. She comes. Neuraxis will feast on your foes!
Oh, okay. Being able to run this at my speed is a lot nicer for these old dungeons.
Will be found on the other end of this beast. The Tauren believed you were prophesized to seize my hammer! Pathetic. Let them come. Witness the fate of those who stand against one worthy of wielding the power of a titan! I am sorry, Alex. I must leave you now. Yet know this. I have witnessed your deeds with pride, and I am sure you will not fail High Mountain in this final battle.
Really? I actually got stunned by something? Lame.
Try to take the hammer from me. The mountain will gnaw on your bones. How is this possible?
Easy peasy.
I was chosen.
Let's get out of that
The
group.
hammer never chose the Dark Rule. It
Should be
seems
quick to
like
finish. I think I could probably finish these in the next half hour.
found lacking.
We can keep them at that speed. See how quickly I can get the climb done here.
The watertight hides of the creatures here for ages. Would you mind adding a few more to our stores?
According to my notes, there should be some unique artifacts in this area. Search the upper areas here while my team scouts below.
The thing is, that piece of UI is so in the way right now. Alright. Go ahead and do that. Oh, I've run this one enough. Because this is in the current season, too. So we've run this recently as a Mythic Plus. We're just gonna zoom through this. Really, dude, this hunter is so slow. He isn't even in a fight yet. Jesus Christ. Yeah, we're just gonna skip that mechanic because it's only like heroic level right now.
Now I see.
The darkness. It is gone.
You aren't the ones who did this?
Do I like pips though? I don't know.
I understand now. You must find Kutalos. You must put a stop to this.
Invaders have reached the passage to the crypts. Ilasana, you must hold them here. We have much to lose. Your father's life most of all.
You need not worry. I will not fail Latosius. Men, the invaders come for us. Do not let them pass. For Kalimdor!
Okay, I think I had to adjust some settings. I should not be hitting frames this low in here. Okay, I think VTS might be using a little more than I expected. We'll have to revisit this whole thing at a point. Is there a world quest over here today? It's crazy to think that world quests in Legion might still be active in the code. Okay, once we finish this dungeon, though, I'm going to take a look at GPU usage of various things.
We will bury you here, fools. You cannot escape! The hunt is eternal. You cannot escape! Betrayed.
Uh-oh. Wow, alright, cool. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not good. Uh, Whoa. My game was not happy about that. I need to make sure I look into this. That was really bad.
Fiends, you shall never have our world! Enough! I tire of this. Ravencrest, you worthless husk. 10,000 years have not been.
That's what my auto attacks build up there.
Now you. No. This is not my ancestor. Ilisana. No. Forgive me. Heroes, you must defeat him. You expect to defy the Legion. Souls of my ancestors, to me! Aid on
Ooh, yeah, we did it in one round. Alright. That's good. Leave Vincent's group. Now let's take a second to debug this.
According to my notes, there should be some unique artifacts in this area. Search the upper areas.
Because that was really bad. Yeah, out in the world seems fine. Alright, what's my GPU at? My GPU is not struggling at all right now. Why is that happening? That's so weird. Okay, so it looks like the game capture has just failed, which is really weird. I've never had this happen before. Because I'm not in the dungeon anymore. And, like, my game screen is fine, but OBS isn't. What if I do that? Okay, that didn't work either. What the hell? If I do that? No? This is really weird. Yeah, like, it's just broken. What the heck? This is super weird. OBS, why you doing weird shit to me? Yeah, if I switch here, it's fine. This is the just chatting or the code screen where I just have it capturing the desktop window. Okay, let's reset this. This is super weird. Okay, I'm gonna try and exit the game and reload it. I do not know what happened there. Let's relaunch it because I don't want to end stream on that. Like I can another like I want to go for at least another 20 to 30 minutes here. Okay, it's capturing again. don't know, something seems a little weird about it though in the capture. Not sure. Let me check Twitch preview. Yeah, okay, it's getting all the right feed now. So weird. Here, hold on. I'm gonna take a quick look and see. I don't think I run the things they're talking about here, but just in case it's running and I don't know it for some reason. Yeah, nope, that's not it. Hmm. Maybe I just use the code screen for this one right now. Really not sure why that happened. But I have a feeling it has to do with the window captures or something. Yeah, so we're gonna use this screen because it's gonna capture the same stuff right now. With a few extra bits, which I'm not gonna worry too much about. It's so weird. Alright, well, let's go back in game and try and finish some stuff up.
According to my notes, there should be some unique artifacts in this area.
Okay,
Search the
game
other
seems to be
entries
running again.
while my team scouts below.
Yes, I know how to use that key. I set it up on purpose. Camera for this is so bad for the first part. Oh, I got a compass. Thought I was getting something for the damn world quest. Alright. One more of these. Really? It got a second shot at me? Not cool.
Yes, this is it. Thank you. I will have these documented.
Come on, let me land on one of these, please. There we go. Now I can get out of that early. Am I still in war mode? Okay, cool. Let's queue for a dungeon and see what happens then. Mark the next gold one there. Start my flight over. Actually track that one. Come on, throw me in without a healer. I don't give a shit about them. Okay. That's unfortunate. Okay. Usually it takes a little longer for the queues to pop, but not right now, which is nice. Okay, yeah, something's up with the way that capture was working. Because this is still super smooth. That's super weird. All right, I'll have to look into OBS stuff and see if something's changed with it recently, or it has been telling me there have been updates. I wonder if those updates could address this stuff for me. I'll definitely be taking a look at the patch notes soon. Oh, dang it, I didn't start the RP. Thought I'd gotten close enough for that. Apparently I hadn't. There we go. Needed my rollback for this trick. Haha.
Get those bones cleared out! We must be prepared for Charnav's plans!
Thought I was hitting tab and I was not. Oh, skipping that one. Also, has this hunter even moved since we got in this dungeon? I didn't even look. But if he's not moving, I'm gonna kick him. I ain't giving him a free fucking ride. Not how I roll. You idiots. Seriously? You dumb motherfuckers just walk in a straight line, please? Well, that hunter's moving, but I have no idea where he is or where he's trying to go right now. I love that cheater skill. Buddy, we're back here. The dude just kept... No, he just stopped. Alright. Whatever.
Intruders! Where have you come from? Now Thalris belongs to the Kalashi now!
At last, Emberstoke! The forges will ring today! Stay your hand for a taste of flame! Royal! An embarrassment of riches!
Yeah, alright, so that solved the capture issue. That's still really weird. I don't know why that solved the capture issue, though. That's what's a little concerning for me. I don't want to do the last one as a DPS, I think.
Ruins of the Lifebinder Conservatory. Clear them out.
Up here that it wants. Oh, I don't give a shit about that. Alright. Oop, I. Oh, cool. Oh no, that's heroic. Oh, damn it! I queued for heroic. I just realized I was in the wrong dungeon set there. It didn't occur to me. God damn it! Got two more of these to run. Damn. I want to run them as DPS. I feel like messing around with that right now. Not with my tank stuff at the moment. Yeah, DPS can get through this stuff a lot faster. Oh my god, dude, really? We're gonna do this shit? Fucking bullshit. Great. Now I gotta deal with hordes that are just too fucking stupid to play the game. So they do that crap instead. I wish they wouldn't tie stuff to the PvP, like to the war mode sometimes. It's really annoying to deal with those people. Like, I'm convinced that like World PvP is played exclusively by people who have a non-PvP reason to be there, and people who can't do real PvP. That's the only people that play World PvP content in any game. Because every time a horde attack, like a dumbass horde attacks me, either I wipe the floor with them, or they're geared to the teeth in PvP only gear. And it's just like, come on. Like, all of you can't be this brain dead on that faction. Like, there's got to be at least one of you with a functioning brain in war mode somewhere.
The red dragonflight is that much closer to
A few times kind of suck, but oh well. I do want to get through the world quests. No idea what the postmaster has for me. Yeah, we'll see if this one. We'll see if this quest is even actually going to be up or not. Like if the NPC is going to be there to kill or not. Because that happens a lot with these. Is they spawn I think once every half hour or an hour. So I've only killed like one of them in the last couple of months for this particular type of quest because they're just never there when I'm there. Oh, it's this one again. This one I've never killed.
Such egos built up from warring amongst
Yeah.
one another. You've yet to face a real challenge.
This dude just killed it. Didn't he? Or he got here and it was also dead already. Alright. Oh well. Oh, come on, Q. Hop faster, please. Just want to DPS this stuff. It's more fun. Oh, I know what this is going to be.
Great fish gather in droves. Go, gather meat for us and bring back stories of your
Yeah, it's going to be
exploits.
these. Why is that thing aggroed on me? Ugh. All right, we'll do it. We'll do it the way they intend, because lava is hurtful to swim in. I don't have enough HP for that, apparently. Quests are annoying though. You have to do it this way. Come on. Why? Why even give me? Why even give me that action button if it's just never gonna work right? Like, come on. Seriously. On. Really? It was on the damn land. Fuck you. Small fucking indie company here.
Worthy of a tale or two of your own.
We'll see if the Hippogriff is there when I get there and there are a bunch of people or not. I could probably solo it in DPS spec for just a nice quick elite kill. Huh, yeah, there's no one here. Alright. Pretty sure that's the one that's a knockback, so I don't want to get hit by that while I'm on this nice small plateau. That one's a fear effect. I know that for sure. Easy peasy. Ooh, yes. Give me that giant world quest goal. Yeah, I'm poor. I haven't been making enough gold recently. I haven't been playing a lot recently either, which has really, really not helped the gold flow. Yeah. Okay, another couple of minutes, we should get another Q pop.
Hey, how you doing?
Looks like you could all use some resources. There's a saying for this. Survival of the fittest.
Yeah, I want to kill that one first. Because it's an annoying caster. Where's the warlock around? Oh, he's standing up there. Nice. Just send the blueberry down. Not around here. Not a lot. Alright, let's see how this one goes. This one might be a little annoying, because this is another one that's like either do an inane task or kill other people. So this one's gonna have probably a lot of players killing each other, I think.
Too innocent. I suspect they hide great power beneath those feathers. See if you
What am I supposed to do? I guess that. Huh. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I guess I just punch him in the face and hope it works? That seems to be the plan. Oh, mounts aren't allowed here. Okay. I'll just hit enter dungeon then. Oh, alright. On combat. There we go. I'm not gonna wait for the tank.
Intruders. They will not get far. Ah, we meet again, weakling. Now it's just you and me and my god.
Fucking destroyed that thing. Jesus. Also, I love seeing just like the differences in numbers. Wait a minute. This okay? No, this is Legion. I was like, wait a second. Did I hit the wrong queue again? I would do that. Why are you pulling those, you moron? I need to learn these fucking dungeons. Shit's annoying. And I'm polymorph. Cool. They're gonna dispel me? Like, dude, you got one job here. You're not doing it. How is a druid not keeping up with us? Bro, you have a built-in mount to your class. Hank does some kind of. I'm gonna go straight for the boss here. I think he is. Oh boy. This is gonna go bad. This druid is gonna pull something right now. Oh my god, he actually didn't. Where is it? What are we in combat with still? Really? Someone pulled a seagull? There we go. I'm just gonna water walk this because I can do that while I'm mounted. Technically, I should be waiting for the tank, but I don't really like it. These dungeons can't hurt me. I'm invincible. And now that I've said that, you know that this pole's gonna murder me somehow. It's gonna be hilarious. I mean, it almost did, actually. That was scary. It actually almost got me. Not sure which thing I hit slightly wrong there. But I got to like 40% real fast. Did someone really? How? Like, dude, come on.
Tides rise. All will be eradicated.
Oh, nice and quick still. Alright, so we'll queue up for one more.
These birds look innocent. Too innocent. I suspect they hide great power beneath those feathers. See if you can harness it.
Wow, okay, we can get a bonus for it. 50 badges, I don't care enough. I want to finish some of the world quests while I'm waiting for this. This is a wacky little world quest. Just hitting ducks. buff or something? Yep, there we go. Okay. Anything else I want to do in this area? Yes, that one. Okay. Okay, it's down to an 8-minute average queue time, which is good. Oh, I know this one. Okay. This will be a quick one.
The Nokud Centaur attacked Clan Shikar's lands while our backs were turned. Help us strike back against them and their vile primalist allies.
Ooh. Fast queue, I like that. Ah, dang it, I was so hoping I could get like 1 or 2 more really fast kills in.
I wonder what this pool will reveal about you, Shion.
Committed no crime, Shion. But your associates have to answer for yours.
Our crime was to sacrifice everything to save this world. We fought for Illidan. You imprisoned the world's villains here for all eternity. And they imprisoned us.
We protect life, often at great risk. Too often at great cost.
You dare speak of
There's the proc I wanted like 2 groups ago.
I gave
Really? You guys can't kill one thing back there?
soul. My people shunned me as a freak, and what was my reward? Eternal torment from my sisters.
I live to serve my people, my goddess, expecting neither personal gain nor glory. Can you say the same, as you stand there intoxicated with the power of the Legion?
I will serve my people.
Blah blah blah. This RP takes forever.
Slay you and all your kin. It's so
Oh,
good to
finally.
fight again. My blades thunder. I will cast you all aside.
No, you won't.
Wasn't enough.
We'll kick your ass.
Thank you for your help. Your intervention saved my life. If you intend to venture deeper, you will find far more terrifying things lurking in our vault.
As a lowly glideless class, I have to wait. God. Well, oh well. Always got to be careful of teleporting there. What hit our healer? Neum. Oh my god. We took out like 40% of its HP during its wake up animation. That's amazing. Damn.
Visitors, how exciting. Watch your step.
I feel almost bad that we killed that thing before the other two could even get here. Me out. I wish I could jump down with them. Oh, okay. Well, he's gonna get stuck on the elevator anyway. This should be the last one I need. I'll finish up that world quest, and then we'll go fly back to Valdrakken and call it a night. Ah, we did manage to get that thing aggroed. All right. Alright, so I think this boss, I'm trying to remember
Utterly predictable.
the order, like, I'm trying to remember what the percentage is. Because it has a phase where you can't damage it. I don't know if I want to push that phase or save till after on my cooldowns. How?
And now you fools have fallen into my trap. Let's see how you fare on you. I will slay you.
Oh, there we go.
All night.
I think we're gonna do the push. S. Ah, dang it.
Since joining the Legion. Here, let me show you.
Okay, so it's not. I realize it's not percentage entirely. There is. Okay. There is a point where if you can push your DPS fast enough, I think you could skip the phase. Although that's almost definitely not going to be viable for Mythic Plus if we ever come back here. Gonna end that soon? Cool. There we go. Yeah, so let's finish our world quest out, go grab our rewards, see if we get super lucky and get that Farok trinket or not.
Attacked Clan Shikar's lands while our backs were turned. Help us strike back against them and their vile primal.
Oh, there we go. That was easy.
You did it! You set them on their back hooves.
The aspects have returned.
Uh-oh. That was weird. That was really weird. Really another pips, but I already have a better one I got from just doing the raid. Alright, well, let's sell off a few things here. Got a lot of junk in the inventory there. Then we'll just sell off all this random pieces of gear we got.
Farewell, friend of the Brummels.
Okay. So, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I'm gonna go over to this screen. Alright, so I'm gonna look for someone to raid real quick. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the stream here. We did some cool stuff today. We got the base of some stuff working. But I gotta do some extra setup to make something really cool for the previewing and showing what's going on with like the phone code and things like that. I think I know who we're gonna raid. Yeah. We're gonna raid Mortuary again. I quite like her content. She's doing WoW stuff. And I don't have any programmers online right now to raid, so it's gotta be it's either a no raid or a game raid there. Yeah. So let's get this raid set up to go. Alright, cool. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. Really appreciate it. Everyone who lurked as well. Always appreciate the lurkers, as I'm a huge lurker myself. So like I said, Monday is going to be the next stream. We're going to continue in. I'm going to do this stuff tomorrow to set up the phone previewing of code properly and things like that. So I can start getting that ready, and then we're going to test that library out, that QR code stuff. And we're going to try and get all of that hooked up into the right places. I think we're also going to work on some of the storage code for like keeping tokens around and things like that. We got a few things to work on with that dock on Monday, though. Gotta figure out why OBS was super mad about WoW today. That was weird. The GPU was not struggling for that. So I do not know what it was trying to do. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look at that, but the RTX tracking is working pretty well. I'm liking it. So I think I'm gonna continue down this route with tracking, at least for Shion model there. But yeah, so I think that's gonna be it. Oh, also, I am putting VODs up on YouTube. I'm gonna start doing that once a week. I'm probably gonna upload the week's VODs, or I'm gonna try and like do it during the week, and then I'll publish them all on like Saturday or Sunday or something. So yeah, check out my YouTube at some point. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, everybody. I will see you all next time.